Having like a good squeak to start things off. Oh my gosh, I need a new chair. Alright. This is going to be another audio test. Let me see if I have the settings right this time. Because apparently streaming is harder than Portal puzzles. I know that no one is going to be seeing the earlier ones because the audio is terrible. But it has been a long time since I played Portal 2. Even though I've beaten it several times, I do not remember every stage. I actually remember very little, which is kind of fun. But this is like a very soothing game for me.
Did you know that people with guilty consciences are more easily startled by loud noises? I'm sorry, I don't know why that went off. Anyway, just an interesting science fact.
Yeah, it's fine. I don't regret killing you at all. Jerk. Alright, let's see here. My cube! My beautiful cube.
Oh, I accidentally fizzled that before you could complete the test. I'm sorry. Go ahead and grab another one.
Killed my companion cube, you monster. Oh, it's so beautiful. It loves me. I can hear the turret singing. I love it when the turrets sing.
Oh, no. I fizzled that one too. Oh well. We have warehouses full of the things. Absolutely worthless. I'm happy to get rid of them.
It loves me. I don't know what you're talking about. Okay, so I need to get up there. How do I do that again?
Every test chamber is equipped with an emancipation grill at its exit, so that test subjects cannot smuggle test objects out of the test area. This one is broken. Don't take anything with you.
Do what I want. No, I can't take it with me, I don't think. So close. To. I don't remember how. I feel like that's part of the psychological torture, though, if I remember right. But I'm not entirely sure. There's nothing else I can put on it. feel like I remember there being a way to take. But my brain doesn't work. I've only slept for 4 hours for some reason.
This next test involves emancipation grills. Remember, I told you about them in the last test area that did not have one.
God, I hate you. Hurry up, fellas. Get to work. Wakey, wakey.
Oh no, the turbines again. I have to go. Wait, this next test does require some explanation. Let me give you the fast version. If you have any questions, just remember what I said in slow motion. Test on your own recognizance. I'll be right back.
Alrighty then. Okay. Put it in this hole. Basically. I don't know if I can. Too big. Alright. There we go. Oh, I see. Okay. Oh, silly. There I am. Okay, so shut off too. Oh boy. It's a little issue. I'm sure it's fine. What could go wrong? Watching our government at work. Totally not worried. Never ever. Totally fine. This is fine.
It's me! I'm okay!
Well, I'm back. The aerial faceplate in here is sending a distress signal. You broke it, didn't you?
Yep.
There. Try it now.
What happened, right? I was just lying there. You thought I was done.
This plate must not be calibrated to someone of your generousness. I'll add a few zeros to the maximum weight.
What are you, Hollywood?
You look great, by the way. Very healthy. Try it now.
Bird, right? Couldn't believe it either. And then
You seem to have defeated its load-bearing capacity. Well done. I'll just lower the ceiling.
definitely super healthy. If I could aim, it would be great. Yay! Oh. How many times did I hit my head? All of them. Alright, so there's my door. There's my lasers. Where's my cube? KS. Aha! Or what is? I know exactly what it is. I apparently just don't know how to speak fucking Spanish. Ugh. Okay. Alright. Need to move over here. Thank you. Alright. Well. Oh, silly me. Okay. Alright. I know how portals work.
Look at you, sailing through the air majestically, like an eagle, piloting a blimp.
Rude. This is fine. Yay! Look at all the junk. Alright, let's save. Let's see how it went.